signs, no signal clear. A broken system drawing near. The sky is code that starts to fail. A dying world without a trail. A silent crown begins to grow. Inside the void we used to know. No throne, no king, no final guide. Just fractured truths we cannot hide. The circuits burn, the pulses race. A collapsing grid erased from space. Each second strikes like iron rain. Repeating loss, repeating pain. No past remains, no future stays. Just endless loops of hollow days. The system feeds on its own decay, rewriting night into endless gray. 1,000 voices try to scream, but none can break the coded dream. Each word dissolves before it's said, a language spoken by the dead. I call your name beyond the sound, where time is lost and never found. A fragile light still tries to stay, though everything is pulled away. No end to find, no final state, just shifting forms that recreate. Between the lines, between the fall, there is no meaning left at all. Oh, crown of endless night, arise. You live between the broken skies. You are the code that none can see, and write the fate of you and me. Oh, crown of silence, cold and wide. You turn all truth to fractured lies. We fall, we fade, we override inside your endless, endless night. The rhythm strikes like metal breath, a marching hymn that worships death. No error left, no glitch unseen, just perfect void inside the machine. The ground dissolves beneath all form, identity becomes a storm. Each structure bends then disappears, consumed by loops of endless years. No heart remains, no pulse is true, just hollow shells of something new. A world rebuilt from loss and code, a silent self-erasing road. I drift outside your endless frame, where nothing ever stays the same. I am the echo, you erase the last reflection you can trace. Two worlds collide but never meet. One cold and sharp, one incomplete. One speaks in force and flawless lines. One breaks apart, yet still it shines. The faster beats consume the slow, yet still the quiet voices grow.